Hey there. So, what exactly is a phrasal verb? It's a combination of a verb and a preposition or adverb that creates a completely new meaning. For example, put up with doesn't mean to put something above something else. Instead, it means to tolerate or accept something you don't really like. Native speakers use phrasal verbs all the time, and learning them is the secret to sounding natural in English. Let's start with 3 important ones. First, give up means to stop trying or surrender. Example, I wanted to learn guitar, but I gave up after 2 weeks. Next, run out of means to have no more of something left. For instance, oh no, we've run out of coffee. Finally, break down has 2 meanings. It can mean your car stops working, like my car broke down on the highway. Or it can mean to cry or lose control emotionally, like she broke down during the sad movie. Now for some social phrasal verbs. Get along with means to have a good relationship with someone. For example, my roommate and I get along really well. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Like, can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation? And catch up means to reach the same level or position as someone, or to have a conversation to share recent news. So you might say, let's grab coffee and catch up, or I need to catch up on my emails. These 3 are super useful in everyday life. Put up with means to tolerate or accept something unpleasant without complaining too much. Example, I have to put up with a lot of noise from my neighbors. Figure out means to understand or solve something. Like, can you help me figure out this math problem? And cut down on means to reduce the amount of something. For instance, I'm trying to cut down on sugar and eat healthier. Notice how cut down on needs an object, while the others can stand alone. Here's your challenge. Pause the video and try to use 3 of these phrasal verbs in sentences about your own life. Go ahead, I'll wait. Here's a pro tip to remember them. Group them by theme. Social phrasal verbs like get along with and catch up are about people. Work phrasal verbs like figure out and break down are about tasks. And lifestyle verbs like cut down on and look after are about habits. The more you use these in real conversations, the more natural they'll sound. Want to master more? Subscribe and hit that notification bell for our next video on phrasal verbs you'll hear in the workplace. See you next time.